Welcome, everybody. This is the weekly agenda for the short two-day week, starting 10/12 for philosophy. So, we have finished that weighty chapter on reality and reading a lot of ancient Greek philosophy. We read Plato's Euthyphro. We looked at, what is real, the reality behind appearances, and we got weighted down a little bit. So I thought this week, and perhaps a little of the next week, we will look at Chapter 11, Beauty, or the branch of philosophy called Aesthetics. And perhaps the best way to do that is to view a couple works of art and see what we can learn from them. So we're going to start this week by listening and looking at John Coltrane's A Love Supreme. And we want to sort of experience what's the difference, that we get between rational speech or philosophy, the logos. What type of knowledge do we get from philosophy, but what's the different type of knowledge that we might get from the experience of a work of art? We'll have two short in-class assignments connected with John Coltrane's A Love Supreme. So we'll look forward to doing that. Of course, it's the end of the quarter. We want to get all our assignments in. So if you have any questions, please email me, and look forward to our short week together. Bye-bye.